In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section in Asana. If you're managing projects with Asana, you know how helpful it can be to streamline your workflows and manage tasks effectively. But sometimes, you need to repeat a section of tasks that occur regularly or share the same structure. Duplication can save you time and ensure consistency. Today, we're going into detail on how to master this feature, making your project management even more efficient. Let's dive in without any further delay. Start by opening Asana in your browser and navigating to the project that contains the section you want to duplicate. It's essential to have your project clearly laid out at this stage because finding your sections easily is all about ensuring you spend less time searching and more time producing quality work. Once you're inside your project, locate the specific section you want to duplicate. This section could be a group of tasks that need repeating across different weeks or months. On the right side of the section header, you'll see 3 dots, which represent more options. Click on these to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu holds all the different actions you can perform on the section, including our focus today, duplication. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate. Clicking this will prompt Asana to replicate the entire section along with all the tasks within it. Your duplicated section will appear immediately below the original, complete with task names, assignees, and due dates. It's crucial to pay attention here because although the section is duplicated, you will still need to make any personalized adjustments based on the context of your project. Once the section is duplicated, feel free to rename it if necessary. A quick tip is to structure your naming conventions in a way that makes it easy for anyone in your team to identify what the section contains at a glance. Such clarity can significantly enhance team collaboration and ensure everyone is on the same page. Finally, take a moment to go through each task in the duplicated section. Here is where you can make changes to task details, such as due dates, which are especially important if the exact timing doesn't apply for this iteration. At this point, your new section is as organized and ready to go as the original. With this straightforward process, you've learned how to efficiently duplicate a section in Asana. This method not only saves time, but also ensures that you maintain consistency across your project boards. And remember, as you practice, you'll become even more adept at using Asana's features to maximize your team's efficiency. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of our videos for more great tips on navigating Asana and other productivity tools.